Dear friends, our project is Radio Controlled Truck Wheel Hydraulic Tree. We are the students of Dhruv Academy and I am Suyash Pukarkar from class 8th and my friend Anay Navle from class 6th. And he will explain you about hydraulic system.
The basic idea behind any hydraulic system is very simple. Force that is applied at one point is transmitted to the another point by using an incompressible liquid. In this crane, if you push the plunger of the syringe, then the water gets pushed out. The pushed out water forces the water in the tube. To make space for the water, the plunger of other syringe has to come out. Hence, pushing or pulling move of the plunger moves the mechanism. Now, Suyash will explain you about the crane.
A crane is a machine that is used to lift, lower, and shift an object from one place to another. A crane has four main sections. The first section, wheels are attached to it. The second section is mast, is supporting tower of the crane. Mast gives the crane its height. The third section is boom, is arm of the crane. The last section in this crane is grabber. Holds an object using boom lines and moves it to another place using mast's rotation. Rack and pinion. Gears are toothed wheels that are used to transfer power from one part of the crane to another. For gear to work properly, the teeth must match. Too loose makes the gear teeth slip. Too tight makes the gear stuck. The straight gear is called rack and the circular gear is called pinion. When the straight gear pushes forward, the circular gear rotates. Thank you for watching our video.
Thank you.